I'm Dr. Diana Zuckerman, President of the National Center for Health Research, a public health think tank here in Washington. I appreciate the opportunity to be here today to share the views of the center, which does not accept funding from any companies with a financial interest in our work. The FDA makes it very clear that it does not expect or require absolute certainty when it approves a drug or medical device, and I'll give two examples of their flexibility. A few weeks ago, a company named Amylyx reported that its one and only drug, Relyvrio, did not work. FDA had granted approval to the drug to treat ALS, also known as Lou Gehrig's disease, even though the company ignored FDA's advice to complete their clinical trial before they asked for approval. FDA scientists and advisory committee members warned that the evidence was weak and that the drug might not work at all, but FDA approved it anyway because ALS is a terrible disease and the agency wanted to be flexible and patients hoped that the product would work. The drug cost $158,000 per patient per year, even though it was a combination of two much less expensive ingredients, one of which is a dietary supplement sold on Amazon for a few dollars. Another example is Sarepta, a company that submitted its only product for FDA approval based on data for only 12 patients and no placebo group. I've never seen any study like that get approval. But despite that lack of evidence, the Exondys 51 for Duchenne muscular dystrophy was approved, and they granted accelerated approval in 2016 because as a small business, Sarepta did not have the capital to continue to do their clinical trials unless they were able to sell their product and make some money. The company promised a larger study would be completed in 2020, but here we are, 2024, and it still hasn't happened. And we're still waiting for any credible evidence from the company to show that it works after 8 years. The bottom line is that we all want medical products to be safe and effective. Small businesses will have the resources to meet the FDA's evidence standards for many types of medical products, but not all. What's the alternative? If the FDA reduces the burden on companies by not requiring them to provide clear evidence that a new product is safe and effective, that increases the burden on patients, families, and physicians because we must make life-saving and life-changing decisions without the facts that we need to make the decisions that are best for us and our patients. Thank you very much.